Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable the pairing mode on your Jabra Talk 5. So first of all, you have to be sure that your device is turned off. How to check it? Just click once on this button. When this indicator right here doesn't blinking blue, it means that the device is turned off. So right now you have to click and hold this button until you will get the solid blue light right here. So click and hold it, take a look on the indicator and keep holding. Right now you can release this button. It means that the device is in the pairing mode, so it's visible to other devices around you. So when I open the pair request, I will find the Jabra Talk 5 right here. And as you can see right now, we can select it and connect with any device. And that's how it looks. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.